Okay, so let's solve this problem. So A36 bearing plate is to be designed for a grade 50 W14 by 90 beam, steel beam that will rest on top of a concrete wall. Yung FCE prime niya is 20.7 megapascal and then yung thickness niya is 200 millimeter thick. Okay, so the end beam reaction are 120 kilonewton dead load and 230 kilonewton live load. So i-design lang natin yung minimum length ng bearing plate required to prevent yung wave failures, wave yielding tsaka wave cribbling. And we also need to design for the minimum width of the bearing plate required to prevent yung bearing failure on a concrete wall. And we also need to design for the minimum thickness ng bearing plate required to prevent yung excessive bending dito sa bearing plate. So anyway, yung concern natin is i-design talaga natin yung beam bearing plate. So first is we need to kunin ko muna yung mga kailangan ko. So since makikita mo naman dito na end beam reaction meron tayo. So kunin ko muna yung load nito. So yung RU, so we have a 1.2 nung dead load plus 1.6 nung live load. Okay, and we have 1.2. Yung dead load natin is meron tayong 120. So this is 120 plus 230 na live load. So we have 1.6 nung live load natin na 230. Okay, so thus we have RU and that is equal to 512 kilonewton. So meron tayong RU. So since nakaano yan, so ibig sabihin kung ito yung section natin, let's say, piyan ko muna to. Wait lang. Gupihin ko lang to. Copy. Okay, so yan. So, bali yung reaction natin is ito yung area na yan. Bayin ko lang yung kulay. So, we have this RU. So, yung distance niya, yung X is from the N sa beam. So, ito yung X. Okay. So, kung ito yung thickness nung paano ba? So, ganyan, no? So, since less than siya ng ano, kasi yung thickness ng wall natin is 200. So, kung kalahati pa niyan, so expected na yung X natin, kasi yung depth natin dito is 356. No? So, mas maliit to, no? So, assume na lang natin na less than to nung D. Okay. And then, so, since beam reaction siya, no? Beam reaction. Beam reaction. So, wala siyang binigay na X. So, assume na lang natin na less than siya lahat na. So, bali, yung X natin is less than nung depth. And yung X natin is less than or equal nung D divided by 2. So, kasi dyan siya sa beam reaction. So, ganun yung mangyayari. Ayun, klaro yan. So, punta tayo dito sa chart. Okay. So, first kong ilocate is yung D muna. Yung D divided by 2. Ito na lang muna. So, yung X natin is less than. So, expected. Ito yung gagamitin ko na mga formulas. So, dito ako. Okay. So, ito naman yung pag greater than siya sa D divided by 2. Bali, interior load. Yung dito banda is beam reaction, dito is interior load, beam reaction. Okay? So, kailangan kong kunin yung dalawang yan. I-solve ko muna yan. So, kunin ko lang muna to. Hindi ko makopy yan eh. So, kunin ko muna yung top, yung Rn1. Okay? So, yung Rn1 is just equal to 0.4 TW squared, and then we have 1 plus 4 sa LB divided by T minus 0.2, and then we have a TW all over TF raised to the power of 1.5 and square root nung E FYTF all over TW. Okay, so yan muna. So bali based to sa LB over D na greater than yung ito, no? LB over T greater than 0.2 kasi andito siya sa to. So we have for LB greater than 0.2. So substitute natin yung mga values. So we have now Rn1. Kumpitin ko na diretso. So yung phi Rn must be greater than or equal no Ru. Okay. So yung phi natin dito is 0.75. So I have 0.75. And then ito yung magiging Rn1 ko. So I have 0.4 times yung TW. That is given 11.18. So we have 11.18 squared, and then multiply ko to lahat by 1 plus 4. Ito yung gusto nating makuha, yung LB. And then we have 356.11 minus 0.2 times yung TW, we have 11.18 all over yung thickness ng flange. So yung thickness ng flange natin is 18.03. So we have 18.03 raised to the power of 1.5, and then we have square root nung E. So constant yung E, 200 megapascal. And then yung Fy, yan yung web tayo. This is web. Yung dito is wave crippling. We are considering wave crippling. Okay. Ano na? Yung Fy, that is also given. Fy. Yung Fy nito is grade 50. So Fy is 50 KSI. So that is approximately equal to 345 megapascal, no? Yung Fy. That is corresponding to the wide section. So 345 yung Fy. So we have 3, 4, 5. And then thickness ng flange, we have 18.03. Wait lang. So this one is 18.03. Okay. And then we have thickness nung web na 11.18. So this must be greater than or equal nung na-compute natin na Ru. Ito, 512 kilonewton. So para maging consistent ako sa units, so times ko na lang ng to the power of 3 para newton. So if we solve that one, yung LB na makukuha natin is just equal to 71.567 millimeter. Ay, hindi. Wait. Ano yung sagot nito? 71.48 millimeter. Double check lang muna. Double check lang muna. 0.75 times 0.4 times 11.18 squared, then times ko nito, and this must be equal to 512 times 10 to the power of 3, and then dito ito yung square root nung 200,000 times 345 times 18.03 all over 11.18, and then dito ito naman yung mahaba, no, na 1 plus nung ito tsaka ito. Unahin ko muna yung 11.18, 18.03 square, ay hindi, 1.5, and then dito is 4 of the alpha x all over 356.11 minus 0.2, shift solve, and 71.48. So tama talaga. So ayan, no? So kailangan nating i-verify if tama to, kasi ito yung assumption niya, no? So let's verify if LB over D is really greater than 0.20. Okay, so we have 71.48 divided by 356.11. so yung value net, is it greater than 0.2? So yung 71.48 is equivalent to 0.2007. so this is greater than 0.2, so that is okay, no? So ito na yung gagamitin natin for the LB. Okay, so yun na yung gagamitin kasi okay na yung assumption eh. Kung itatry mong isolve nung ito naman, bali yung ito LB is less than ng 0.2, so bali dito tayo banda, no? Kasi less than siya ng 0.2. Pag ito pag greater than, no, great above sa 0.2, ito yung gagamitin mo, pero pag less than 0.2, ito naman yung gagamit. Try natin gamitin yan, no? Kung ano yung magiging result. Pero ito na yung ano niya, no? Kasi na-check ko na eh. Pero try lang natin, no? Na if yung nakuha mong assumption is LB is less than 0.2, ano yung magiging result niya, no? So ganun pa rin yung magiging fee natin, 0.75. Ito yan. So yung gamitin natin na formula for RN2, no? RN2. So thus we have a 0.4 ng TW squared, and then we have a 1 plus 3 LB over D, and then TWF TF raised to the power of 1.5 EFY TF all over TW. So yan yung magiging formula natin. So yung phi RN2 must be greater than or equal to RU. So tandaan nyo lagi to, ha, na pag beam reaction, ito yung magiging assumption niya. Lalo pag wala siyang binigay kung saan yung location, automatic beam reaction. So yun na yan. So yung phi na gagamitin is 0.75. So I just substitute that 0.75, then I have 0.4 sa 11.18 squared, 1 plus 3, and ito yung kukunin natin. So yung depth is 356.11, and then we have 11.18. TF natin is 18.03 raised to the power of 1.5, and then we have square root ng dito kasya. Press ko lang muna. So this is 200,000 times FY 345 50 KSI. We have 18.03 all over yung 11.18. This must be greater than or equal nung 512 times 10 to the power of 3. So makukuha natin dyan, computing ko muna. Substitute na lang. Substitute na lang yung term. Magbabago dito sa 0.75, sa 0.4, sa 11.18 squared. Then times lang natin nung ito, yung naka 1 plus 3 times yan, times yan. Bayan ko muna yan. Ito yung naka-raise nung naka-raise yan ng 1.5. Okay, medyo nakakalito na kasi yan, okay na yan. And then dito yung square root nung 200,000 times 345 times 18.03 times divided by 18, then paano na, must be alpha equal 512 times 10 to the power of 3. Balik ako dito, ito yung 11.18 all over 18.03, and dito yung LB all over yung depth na 356.11. Shift solve. So we have 71.567 mm. Okay? So kailangan nating i-check if totoo ba to, diba? LB over D less than 0.2. Is it really less than? No? So 71.567 all over 356.11, is it less than or equal 0.2? So yung sagot niya is 0.201. So hindi siya less than, no? In fact, 0.201 is greater than 0.2. So this is not okay. Okay? So kung nag-okay yung isa, expected yung isa hindi okay yun. Diba? So ganun lang. So yung mag-govern is itong 71.48. So yan yung sa web crippling lang. Crippling. Okay? So check natin yung web na ano na, Webuilding. So sa Webuilding, yung ito yung sa baba. Kung babalikan natin yan dito. So okay na ako dito, no? So ngayon i-check ko naman yung ito, no? So since beam reaction siya, so expected yung assumption is x is less than the depth. So yung gagamitin natin na formula, yung gagamitin natin na formula is ito. Okay? So ito naman yung gagamitin ko na formula based dito. Okay, so I hope klaro yan. So yun yung gagamitin ko. Okay? So okay, so bali, so yung Rn, is just equal to Fy, thickness nung web, and then we have 2.5 nung K plus LB. Okay? So yung phi is 1.0 for LRFD. Diba yan dito? Okay? So dito. Yung ito ba? Okay? So ngayon, meron na tayong phi Rn. This must be greater than or equal nung Ru, just to be safe, no? To be safe. So we have 1, and then we have Fy 345. Take note, we are considering web, so ito yung yield stress nung wide section natin. And then we have 11.18, yeah? And then we have 2.5. Yung K is also a property. property yan. Ito yan, 34.93. Okay, so 34.93. So times 34.93 plus, okay na ako dito, LB, and this must be greater than or equal nung 512 times 10 to the power of 3, yung RU na compute natin. Yung ito. So compute natin yan, makakompute natin yung LB. So thus we have 1 times 345 times 11.18 times plus alpha x. This must be equal to 512 times 10 cube. Dito ko ilagay yung 2.5 times 34.93. Shift solve. We have 45.417. So yung LB is 45.417 millimeter. Okay, so yung gagamitin natin na LB, so since yung dimension to, so dapat yung bigger value nung LB based on web crippling and web yielding. So sa web yielding, meron tayong LB na 45.417, and then sa web crippling, ito yung nag-okay, yung isa is not okay, no? So yung gagamitin is 71.48. So yung LB dito is 71.48 mm. Okay, so say yung mag-govern is yung pinakamalaki. So ito, so 71.48 mm. So say natin na multiple of 5, 75 mm. Okay, so yan na yung gagamitin ko sa design. Yan, so sa next na video na lang yung iba pang dimension, no? Kasi medyo mahaba na. Sige, see you in the next video. Thank you.